Hi guys! Saan pupuntang mga bata?
Walking kami.
Walking! Wow!
My dog cannot walk.
Ang ganda ng pag-walkan ninyo
My dog cannot walk.
Yeah.
So I carry my dog.
Yeah, you have to carry that dog. Okay, let's go!
No, it's far away.
Right! Okay, let's go then!
Faster.
Keep walking! This way tayo sa may maaraw kasi magandang maglakad-lakad sa may araw.
Yeah.
Wow! This is the area na paglalakaran ng mga kids. Yeah! Okay, keep going! Keep going! Yan, bawal dito pala mga bikes, oh. Kasi mga tao lang ang pwede maglakad dito sa area na ito. Yan, yung mga bikes dito sa area na yan.
Look at me. Look at me.
Yeah, look at you! Good job! Another one! Good girl! One more time! Galing ah! One big jump! Good job! Alright kids! Enjoy your day!
Bye.
Bye!